tough crowd in Toronto too. Dion Phaneuf got his 400th career point on Bailey's first NHL goal, and they booed the announcer.
Those people ought to grow up. I'm telling you. Really, they're just, I mean, they got, you know, you love your team, you got to stick with your team. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's, you know, they booed Larry Murphy mercilessly there, and he came to here win a couple of cups. I mean, what's the matter with those people?
And I think the treatment Larry got was worse than what Phaneuf's getting. And
yeah, I think so too.
Yeah,
right.
It was horrible.
Well, I mean, it's one thing, but you know, I don't care whether you're paying money or not. Stick with your team. You know, the thing about players, I don't care who they are and who they're playing for. They're given 100% of what they got. They're trying to do their best they are. So blame somebody for putting them in a position where they may not be able to succeed. But players will give their best, as you've seen all over the league in non-playoff teams and stuff like that. They're playing to win every night.
Dion Phaneuf wasn't asked to be captain. They gave him it, and he probably shouldn't have been.
Right.
That was Ron Wilson and Brian Burke.
Well, you never know.
That's a tough position to be in there.
He could end up a Red Wing. There's a lot of conversation about him in the trade deadline, and I'm sure it's going to heat back up in July after free agency is over.